Tonight, cooking with Chef Yo, I'm going to show you how to turn an ordinary Walmart pizza crust into your own homemade masterpiece. Tonight, I'll be using all turkey products, pepperoni, bacon, and sausage, but you can use whatever meat you like. When cooking my turkey sausage, I always use avocado oil and vegan butter, but you can use whatever oil and butter that you choose. Next, I'm going to add all my minced products. Add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, minced carrots, minced bell pepper, minced celery, minced onion, and final, your minced sweet peppers. Next, I'm adding red pepper flakes for a little spicy kick. Then I add my no salt seasonings. Once my meat is done, then I'll start my stacking process. I season my crust one more time before I start stacking my meat. First, I'll add my turkey sausage. Then I'll add my turkey pepperonis. Then I'll add my turkey bacon. Then I'll finish the top off with lots and lots of cheese. And once I'm stacking my cheese, then I'll finish the top off with 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Before I put my pizza in the oven, I'll season the top one more time with my no salt blackened season and a little chives. I don't usually cook with salt, but if you want to add a little Old Bay seasoning or a little Tony Chachere's, you can. Bake your pizza on 375 for 20 minutes. And after the 20 minutes, place the oven on broil for 2 minutes until the crust is golden brown. And there you have it, a homemade pizza. Now, doesn't that look absolutely delicious?